Here we will create a crystal report with multiple tables. For this, we will add a crystal report for generating a customer bill. We will create a standard crystal report. I will create a new connection for Access database, and I will select the data source. Here I will use customer bill database. Here we are going to use two tables, bill master and bill detail. Then next, it will ask the relation between two tables. In our bill master, bill number is a primary key, and in bill detail, bill number is a foreign key. So we will make the relation between bill master bill number to bill detail bill number. Then we will move next. Now from bill master we are going to select bill number, bill date, customer code, and from bill detail we are going to select serial number, item name, price, quantity and amount. Then we will click on next. Here we will make group on bill master bill number. Then next, we want summary for only amount, so remaining fields we will remove it. Then we will move next. It will generate a bill number. In preview you will get bill number, bill detail, customer name, serial number, etc. Now we will format this. So in report header we will add a text box, and here I will write customer bill. Here we will write bill date, bill number, then we will write customer name. In this report, the bill number is printed as many records are there in bill detail. We need to print bill number, customer name only once. So we will move this bill number here, bill date and customer. In page header we will make serial number. We will delete these default text boxes. We will add a new bill number, then item name, then price, quantity and amount. Here no need to print group number, no need to print bill number in group section. Now we will make the format. Now we will format the report. Now when we see preview, here bill number, customer name, bill date. If we add a line here, it will print the line after every record, and if we move this line, and if we add a line in group footer section, it will print the line after all records are printed. Now we will make the formatting. Here bill date is displayed with date and time, and it is displayed in MMDDYY format. We will change it. For this, right click, then format object, customize, select here date, and here DMY. Date will be printed in DDMMYY format. If you want to remove this currency symbol, right click on amount, format object, go to currency symbol and remove it from enable currency symbol and OK. The currency symbol is removed from here. If you want to remove from this also, right click here, format object, then customize, and here currency symbol, remove this. So here bill number, customer name and bill date is taken from the bill master table, and serial number, item name, price, quantity and amount is taken from bill detail table. If you want to sort this on serial number, go to extension Crystal Report, then from report, record sort expert, and here select serial number. It is printed in order format of serial number. You can change the font of this customer bill. I will make it bold, 14, red. I will make the horizontal alignment centered. It will printed as a customer bill. Here we will see how to execute a customer bill for a particular bill number. For this, we will open our form on which we have added Crystal Viewer. We will open this form. Here on this form, I have added one label and text box for accepting the bill number from user, and OK button click event. We will call the report. So for this, first we will create the report document object. Then we will load our report, customer bill. And here we will give record selection formula. In curly bracket, table name, that is bill master dot bill number equal to txt bill number dot text plus double quote. Then we will make the panel visible false. Then we will refresh our report document. Then we will make Crystal Report Viewer dot report source equal to CRYPT, and we will make crystal report here dot show. To execute, we will make it as a startup form. Now we will execute it. We will enter bill number and OK. It will generate a report for bill number 1.